In this video, we shall be looking at conversion of fractions in base 10 to other bases. So how do we do this? Example, we are convert 7 over 8 to base 2 and base 4. How do we do this? Solution. Since 7 over 8 is a decimal fraction, we convert 7 over 8 to decimal fraction. So how do we convert it? By punching our calculator to get decimal fraction. So I have 7 over 8 to be 0.875. Once we convert, we start multiplying by the base we are converting to, which is base 2. So what do I do? Start multiplying the decimal part at it by 2. So I have 0.875 multiplied by 2. Now I have, if I multiply this by 2, it will give me 1.750. Can you see? But I'm not going to put the dot. I'll just put the one far from the decimal part. You get what I'm saying now? Okay, so I multiply the 750 by 2 again. I get 1.500. I put the one separate again and multiply the 2 by 5. So multiplying 2 by 500 now, I have 1000. Can you see that? So I separate the 1 again. So now that we have 00 at the other part, if I multiply by 2 again, I get 0. So we stop here. So I just rule a line to separate my other half, which is the right hand side. I mean the left hand side, to separate the ones so that I'll be able to write it out. So what do I do here? What do I do with the ones? You can see I follow my arrow now. Can you see the direction of the arrow? Then I start copying out the numbers. So this will now give me 7 over 8 or 0.875 will give me 0.111 base 2. The 111 is the ones we got. Can you see? From our multiplication. So our answer is 0.111 base 2. So that's the conversion of fractions in base 10 to base other bases. We have just converted to base 2 now. So let's convert the same fraction to base 4. So converting this to base 4 now, I have 0.875. So I multiply my 875 by 4. I get 3.5. I can add 0 if I want. So I have 3.50. So I put my 3 separate and I put my 5 separate. So I multiply my 4 by 5 again. I get 2.00, but I won't put my dots. I separate my 2 from 00. So since we have 00 here, if I multiply by 4 now, I get 00, so I stop. So I rule a line to demarcate my left hand side figure. Now, so can you see I've demarcated 3 and 2. So can you see we copy out the numbers from up down. So I have 0.32. Can you see my 32? So my answer will give me 0.32 base 4. Can you see that? So now let's do another example. We are going to be converting 19 whole number 22 over 25 to base 5. So what do we do? Here we have whole part 19 and the fraction part 22 over 25. So we convert the whole part first, which is 19. So how do we convert 19 to base 5? You know our normal long division. Because this is the whole part now, it is not a fraction part. So we have to do it the normal way we convert from base 10. So we divide 19 through by 5. So I have 5 in 19 will give me 3 remainder 4. 5 and 3 will give me 0 remainder 3. So I write out my answer from bottom up, so I have 3, 4. We are not done yet, we still have the fraction part to solve. So what do I do next? I convert my 22 over 25 to fraction. So converting that, I have 0.52. So what do I do next? I start multiplying by 5. So I have 5 times 0.52 will give me 2.6. Can you see? So I keep my 2 and I leave my 6. So I multiply again. I have 5 times 6 will give me 30. Can you see? That's 3.5. Let's say 3.0, I mean. So getting 3.0 now, if I say I should multiply 5 by 0, I get 0. So I just stop. I demarcate with a line now. Can you see that? So I write down out my result, which will be 0.23. So, and you know that we had already converted 19 to base 5. So what is our answer? We merge it together. This will give us 34.23 base 5. Do you get that?